Sio mwancho mulire niyo tokwenda wikasi kaunti ya Kisii asingo kumenya bune serikali kaunti iyo wetera egitabo kya mangana agenda kubwaterana n'ababwatani aigati yabo ebyombe byokoigerera obwene bw'abasubati nigori tkolia rero bachakire bene amatuko 15 nerimo kurwania Chisegi chegenka omuyiga onyara koba kogochakigwa asiabisi yomo commissioner we kaunti ya Kisii emambya ya rero niga abantu babuligwe kubwaterana Gokoora Chisegi chegenka asekirenga ky'umwaka oyo iga kere kurwania Chisegi chegenka echichiko kolekana gwetera emitandao mulikito petho ilmachini noroboti oro team tension
erio kubwatana na bamwabo ensi ya Kenya nigo abasubati nabige byombe byokwegera obwene bw'abasubati waterane serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii bachakire bene etaro ya matuko 15 nerimo yokurwania Chisegi chegenka bwasikirenga cy'umwaka yigakere kurwania Chisegi chegenka echichigo cha wetera emetandao
abantu baminte twikaga igarero gucengera amatuko 15 nomo ayoko egerera obwene bwa minto ase ebinyoro byaito bali babwate amakongu ao igori tukeri ria rero nigo tugukwanira dhuluma ya kijinsia tonyesiria segusiye ito elinde abana bamurana abana baiseke abasacha nabakungu tobwatera namo koleta amorembe ase chinka cheito koleta omorembe ase binyoro byeito na lituranyare konyora magenderero.
Na nimefurahi sana kuwaona nyinyi wote kwa vile ambao mumejitokeza kwa wingi ili tuweze kupiga vita dhidi ya dhuluma kati ya wanawake sana sana.
Ukwanekire kyo nigo bono abarai abanyako bagosanga igoro yechinchira choko bwatrena erio kurwania na Gokoora Chisegi chegenka.
And happy because we are launching it because we are creating sensitization on our people. But then sad because the numbers are very high in Kisii. We contribute to 25% of gender-based violences in Kenya. Kisii alone, when it comes to FGM, we are at 77%, while the country is at 15%. So you can see we are number 14 countrywide, meaning we have a lot to do as a community and as a county. I want to urge all of us, the players of today, that we pull our socks, we create awareness, and again, we also participate in mitigating the issues of gender-based violence.
We want judiciary to tell us, in a scenario where we have an assault, a GBV case, inapelekwa mediation, wana intend kupata nini hapo? So, I want us to ongeze juhudi in the fight. You see what is happening even in our judiciary, in the offices. You see what is happening kwa kesi zetu. Hata sisi wale wenyewe ambao tunajaribu kutetea haki za wamama wengine na watu wengine wanaodhulumiwa, tunajipata katika hiyo mtego.
Igati ya abaria abakwegera bwene bw'abasubati nigo bona banyako bakoboria halichiko kubekwa nsemo eri okurwania Chisegi chiga.
Want to ask for the operationalization of the safe houses and the rescue center, which has taken too long, and for the GBV policy to be passed. So we asked upon each and every stakeholder that GBV is our responsibility for the community, the political leaders, and everybody. GBV is a responsibility for all of us, and we ask that for the community members, we should prioritize community awareness so that we can report these cases and get help from our courts. And as we celebrate this day, we remember those who have gone down the soil due to GBV, and we say, as the theme says this year, is to unite to end digital violence, because we've realized that most of the GBV that occurs starts from the devices that we own, the smartphones, and GBV occurs in even the safest places that we call homes, churches.
Bono okuboriwa ni gukwarure guchasa abantu bonse kubwaterana eri Gokoora Chisegi chegenka.
Na zaidi ya hayo pia ninawakumbusha ya kuwa wanaume wamesahaulika. Wanaume wamesahaulika kwa sababu wameamua kujificha, hawataki kutokezea. Lakini wamama na wasichana tumejitokezea kwa wingi, na ndiposa tumeonyesha ya kuwa sisi tumekuwa tukidhulumiwa, na tangu mambo ya gender based violence iweze kuibuka katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, tunaona ya kuwa kuna hatua nyingi sana ambazo zimeweza kupigwa na wamama na wasichana wameweza kusaidika.
Let us try to maintain peace in our homes. Let us try to love one another like the love that was there in the first, ile yenye Mungu alitupenda. tupendane, ili watu tukipendana kwa manyumba pia upendo inaenda hata kwa makazi ama hata hapa nje. So my prayer this morning is that let us maintain peace, let us love one another, and we will not have these GBV cases going high.
Ripoteria Ensoko TV kuraiga omuchobo songo e county ya Kisii nche Pethuel Machini.